Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can rotate your video and how you can use the mirror option to be an editor in your MacBook. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to drag video into timeline. So as you can see, we need to go to the stocks option and we have to import the video and we have to drag that video into here. So as you can see now, simply we have to select that video. We have to select that layer. And after selecting that, as you can see, it has the rotate option. So we have to click on the rotate. And as you can see, after clicking on the rotate, the video will be automatically rotate in this way in this section. So as you can see, the video is rotated. So as you can see, in this way you can rotate the video. Now simply here's another option which is called mirror. If you want to change the direction, make it into mirror, you can also do that. We have to click on this. So as you can see, after clicking on the mirror section, the whole video is changed. So if you want to play this, as you can see, after playing this, the video will play like this. So as you can see, it's done. So in this way you can use the rotate option for rotating your video and the mirror option for you mirroring your video. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use these both options into VN editor. It's very easy to use and it's very easy to understand as well. You just need a little bit practice. So see you guys in the next video.